Hey guys, this is Frosty at 415, and I've got something new for the motorcycle. I had these, if I can get it out of the package, I had these on my my other bike. This is Ciro LED Fang front signal light inserts. I got these from Law Abiding Biker, Ryan Erlocker. You can see him on YouTube. These are great. Simple install, takes about 30 seconds. You literally pop the lens off your bike, which is just take a screwdriver and flip it out. Remove the bulb, which I'll show an installation video on this later. Or I may have one on YouTube, but I'm not sure. But you just pop it out. Take this, take a little screwdriver, push it in and turn it. And you got to watch the little pegs that stick out so they match up. You got one long peg, one short peg on your signal lights. Now these signal lights are bright and they're white, but when you turn the signal on, they go yellow. And amber turn signals. They're great. These are like 129 bucks, something like that, for the pair. And they have a bevel on the front. Sorry, the light's glaring there. They have a bevel on the front here. So you just slide them in, turn the bevel to the top, and you're good to go. Now you may have to set your turn signal, because it will flash normally, but on the dash it flashes fast because this is an LED and it doesn't have a resistor built in. So what you need to do is just turn on your hazards. Let them flash about 20, I think 20, 25 times, and turn them off. That should reset it. This is Frosty 8415. Follow-ups to follow. Follow-ups to follow. I've had too much coffee. But I will do an installation video on these guys. They're great, great product. Very good quality. I had them on my other bike, and I love them. This is Frosty 8415. Stay safe out there, guys. Out.